Hey guys, it's Hannah here and I finally got my April Little Bits box from Mommy Lhey Designs. And look at this glorious golden package. It's pretty big. Makes me suspect that there's more than just the Little Bits items in here. But me being a PR girl, I think she did mention that there was gonna be some stamps perhaps in here, but we'll see. And yes, it's called a Little Bits box, but in this case, it's more of a, well, this is not a box, and that's because I'm international, I live in Sweden, and I think she has switched so that all the international packages are not shipped in boxes for like conveniency reasons or something. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't really matter because it's the items inside that matters the most. Either way, I'm just gonna get into it, so let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was right. There's stamps. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through. Oh, there's a rubber band here. That's also, I'm gonna save that. Here we have the stamps, and I do believe these were from the newest release. And my goodness, I love this alpha set so much because, I mean, it's Mommy Lhey's handwriting, and I love her handwriting. I mean, her hand lettering. She has gorgeous, you know, well, hand lettering. You see a lot of this type of script in pretty much all her products, and I love it so much, and it makes me so happy to be able to have it and use for myself, like if I label something or making cards. I mean, I could never write this pretty, so it's awesome to have it as stamps because I can kind of make it look like I have, you know, written it myself, even though I haven't. It's like a little, you know, life hack right there. But yeah, I love these so much. Oh my gosh, yes! And now we have the Pinky stamps. This little cute bear, her name is Pinky, and she is adorable. So this one is a bunch of stuff. It's like an exercise one. It says very strong. Oh yeah, she's very strong. I guess it's like taking care of yourself and your body, maybe? That's really good. Good reminder. And this one is just a bunch of Pinky stuff, and you know, very happy. I love, you know, animal puns, and these are so cute. It's a good size too. These stamps are not as large as some others, so I feel like you would be able to fit them in any type of planner. And then we have this one. This is an interesting one. These are like kind of day covers, and you can put like these, and then you can put the actual days inside, so you get this kind of cool effect of the, I guess, kind of like shadow. Yeah, it's a really fun thing to use in your planner or bullet journal or, you know, any type of stuff like that. So these stamps are awesome. I'm so excited about this. Okay, thank you so much, Lhey. All right, so I'm actually gonna just put this to the side, zoom in, and get into the box. Okay, so let's see, there's something here. Oh, it's probably the papers. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna save that for last. So, oh my gosh, okay, wow. So very first, I just have to talk about this planner, guys. Okay, so Mommy Lhey has recently switched from including an A6 planner in the Little Bits box. And it's not an add-on, it's included in every single box, you know, your very own exclusive designed planner, to a B6. So this feels huge, and I have the one from last month, the March box. This is the A6 that we're used to, and you can tell that the B6, it's quite a difference. Oh my gosh. But like I said, the pattern, all exclusive to Mommy Lhey. You can see the little stamp here. Okay, so this box, I believe, well, I know it was unicorn themed. I think it was called You Are the Universe. So it's like kind of a little bit galaxy, unicorn, kind of fantasy style, I guess. Really cool. And this graphic, when I saw this, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous with these watercolors, and it kind of, yeah, oh my gosh. And there's a pink band. I love this color so much. Also, this is my very first B6TN ever. Like, I've never held one in my hand. So it's big. Like, I wasn't actually expecting it to be this big, but I knew it was gonna be bigger, but wow, it's a big difference. It's the regular inserts with ivory blank paper as well as the craft paper. You get two, let's see, two inserts to start off with. And there are also printables that was included in this kit, designed by Annie Plans Printables. So you already have, by purchasing this kit, you already got everything you needed really to, you know, have a complete TN. But yeah, this one is gorgeous. I love the design of this one so much. And now I've been babbling on too much about one thing, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm just gonna continue on. We have the pouch here with the unicorn, and her name is Blossom, and it's a character that is gonna be repeated in Mommy Lhey products. She's pretty new though. And there's a silver zipper this time. And yeah, now this time usually you are able to fit the TNs in here, but of course, because this one is almost bigger than a pouch, that won't be possible. But you can use this pouch to store any of the other smaller items or anything you want really. It's really up to you. Alright, so I believe this fell out from the smaller goodies pouch here, so I'm just gonna get into it, and it is the washi tape. I always say this, but it is one of my favorite items in the box, and I think this month in particular, because it's not just any washi tape, it's actually foiled. It's silver foiled with a bunch of sparkles, and I love the images too. Look at that! We have Blossom, and there's a little girl. I love the macaron one, and it's also, you know, with a rainbow, and this kind of pastel background, watercolory background is the same as the planner, and I love it so much. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I mean, the little bits box is usually mostly the same when it comes to what's included. It's just, you know, there's different themes every single month, so let's see. Oh gosh, there's so much. But I think I'm gonna start with this one, the pen of the month. We have a unicorn pen. Ooh, look at that. It's a little bit, I don't know, like I don't know if I should do that. Maybe it will break. It's just a gel pen. Ooh, I'm gonna take this thing off. It's just a little gel pen, probably very fine tipped. Yeah, it's a really cute unicorn pen. And let's see, okay, so I always love the accessories in the box because they're just, I don't know, just really fun. Yeah, the backing is always pretty as usual. So this month here we have a little, well, we always get a charm, but this one is a little tassel charm. And this, I think, at least during my time, you know, having the Mommy Lhey little bits box, it's the first time having a tassel charm. And it's like, oh, this looks really cool, doesn't it? But it's like different. I mean, I've seen tassel charms before, but this reminds me of something. I can't remember what it is though, but I really like kind of the sheen that this type of ribbon has, and the pearls are shiny and nice. Now, everything in here is gonna be like silver themed, like usually there's one metallic color, and this time it's silver, but the reason is because there's also holographic foiling in like the stickers and stuff. So yeah, there's a lot of holo, and that's why silver is the most appropriate, I guess, color to match that with. Then we have the paper clip, and this one is also pretty unique because it's a bow paper clip, but it's not just any bow, it's a glittery bow. Look at that! Oh wow! On a silver paper clip. Ever since the sneak peeks, I've had a bit of a hard time seeing the color of the sparkles, but I guess it's kind of a silvery rose color. It's not just silver. There's some hint of pink in there, I would say. But yeah, it's pretty flat. But I think if you like give it some structure, because it's been, you know, just laying flat, you know, flown all the way from the US to Sweden, like that, you get a bit more, it looks a bit more alive, I don't know. But yeah, this is a really pretty paper clip. And, oh, it's sparkles, I get some on my hands. Okay, so then we have the die cuts, and gosh, I am loving these already. It was a while since the sneak peeks was shown, so I've kind of forgotten some of the stuff in here, but oh my gosh, look at this super adorable backing. How cute is that? Okay, so we have flowers, we have cloud, we have Blossom with the macarons, which I love. I should probably take these closer to you, huh? We have ice cream. I love these colors so much, by the way. We have clouds and rainbow. We have some tabs, which is good to make like planner dividers or bookmarks or whatever. This is all so cute. And it's kind of this kind of, oopsies, kawaii cute style. Mommy Lhey has different styles when it comes to her art, and this is definitely the more like cutesy kawaii style, which I love all her styles, so to me it doesn't really matter. Adorable. This is also cute, and there's a little unicorn girl. She's adorable. Oh wow, here's a lot of tabs. We have, gosh, and we already had weekly and month, week, plans, to do, daily, and notes. We have like a whole set. Wow, that's awesome. And here's the macarons on their own. We have a little unicorn boba. How adorable is that? We have planner and a coffee mug, and last but not least, Blossom herself. Look how cute she is. I love these die cuts, and the quality is great. I always love the die cuts. We also have these stamps, the mini stamp set. And we have Blossom, there's some quotes, and there's some this is more decorative, I would say. Some stamp sets are a bit more functional. It varies from box to box, but we always have the stamps, which I always love. And one of my favorite items, the sticky notes. All right, and here you also see the hollow, or I hope you do at least. It's kind of a matte hollow, I would say. Once again, the backing of this is that really pretty watercolory effect again. I would guess also you get a pretty good amount. I guess this is from like between 30 to 50 sticky notes. But yeah, they are sticky at the top, and they are hollow on every single page. I love these so much. And I love because it's like a cute design, but you also get some space to write on, so they're not just pretty, they can also be functional. Oh, I love these colors so much. All right, so this is not something that's included in every box, but this time it is. It's some bookmarks. We have pretty backing again, and yeah, bookmarks, or I like to use these as washi cards actually. Just blank on one side and then pretty on the other. So we have this one with yellow and the flowers. I love these. We have Blossom, and we have with the macarons, and they have small polka dots, as you can see. I love these also because they're blank. So sometimes it says like plans or today or something because they're supposed to be bookmarks, but these are completely blank. So it's really up to you what you want to use them for. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make washi cards out of mine, and they're gonna be super cute washi cards just because of the cute designs. You don't really need to laminate them because they're on cardstock, but I like to laminate them anyway, partly because it's easier for the washi to, take off when you use it. So yeah, I love those. Okay, so I was about to say last but not least, but we also have the paper, so I can't forget that. It's just because they're not, I haven't opened the package yet. It feels like this is the end, but it's not. We have the stickers, and there's always so many stickers. 8 sheets every month. Okay, so this is the backing. Oh, I love this theme so much. Like, I don't know, all the illustrations I'm in love with. Okay, so here's the first sheet. We have, I love these sheets that are like duplicates of each other. We have the boba and the macarons and Blossom being cute, and also thick paper like usual, nice quality. Oh, I love these pastel colors so much. Okay, so also here we have some day covers, and we have the hollow. You can see, there it is, super cute. And here we have some more day covers and functional stuff. Okay, so, like, I can see why people are obsessed with hollow. Like, this is really fun to look at. And, these are so cute. I love the dates. I adore these colors so much. So here's some, well, they're functional, but there's also some more decorative stickers as well. Wow, this is, by the way, the first time that Mommy Lhey has done hollow foiling on anything, which is pretty exciting. I definitely think that it's not gonna be the last time though, because people love it. Okay, so here we have the full boxes and checklists and some headers. Love. Also have these, which are also like full boxes, but more functional. And oh wow, look at this hollow sheet. Wow, look at that. All the colors, the whole rainbow is in there. It's so awesome. But that was all the sheets. 8 awesome sheets of gorgeous and adorable stickers. I love it all. Alright, so I zoomed out a bit because now we're getting into the papers. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, there's more than just papers in here, huh? Actually, there's one more thing than just papers, and we have some clear stickers. I love these because I love that they're clear, so that you can put them on anything. Like, you can put them on colored paper and you will see the color shining through, which I think is awesome, especially for quotes like this. But I mean, look at that. I should probably just take it out so it's easier to see without the glare. Also, here's the backing to that. Let's see here. So, because these are like clear, so they're like glossy, it's maybe a little hard to see, but I hope you can see that. I mean, look at that holo though. That's amazing. And we have these really pretty stuff too, kind of upside down. I guess it doesn't really matter. Here we get into the papers. Oh my gosh. This one, look at that one. That's so cute. I love the pink color and the kind of mint color. The fading is gorgeous. And the balloons. Oh, it's so cute. And here's the back of that. Love it. And then we have this one with the boba and this side. Also, I should mention that you get 3 double-sided papers in every box, but you also get more in the digital downloads. So, oh yeah, speaking of, the code can be found here, but I'm covering it up right now for, you know, reasons. Here is a list of everything that you get, and here you always get a code where you can get the digital downloads. So you get 3 double-sided papers, but there's more in the digitals, and these cards are always really pretty as they are. Like, I always use this as like dashboards or quote cards. I always save them, is my point. And here is the third paper. Oh, they're kind of, look at this. There's like this static. Listen. Because of this. Either way, oh, this one is so gorgeous. And this is the back. Oh, it's the same as the planner. Look at that. I love this pattern so much. That is awesome. Okay, so then we have the special papers, which usually is 1 vellum and 1 acetate. And yes, it is, once again, ooh, these are also stuck together. Let's see if you can hear this. I don't know why, but I find that kind of satisfying. Okay, so the acetate are these hearts, which are really cute, by the way. I'm thinking though, because it seems like they're supposed to go this way. So if you put them and want to wrap them around an insert, you want it to be like this, but that would be way too small for the... It would maybe work for A6, but not B6. But I guess you could do it like this, but then they're not like the way they're supposed to go. Either way, we also have the acetate, which you can use either way. Well, I mean, the hearts go this way. You don't have to use them in the planner. You can use them for anything. But I like to put them in the planners. And since I was planning to setting this one up using all of this stuff, I should probably use everything, right? So yeah, I'll figure it out, not to worry. Alright guys, so this was everything for this video. The April Little Bits box with the adorable blossom and the pastel colors, kind of universe, galaxy, fantasy, you know, magical awesomeness. I love this box. I don't know, definitely one of my favorites. It's just all so cute. I love the colors, the theme. Now, I am not exactly sure when this video is uploaded, but I do know that from June 1st to June 20th, you are able to subscribe to the June box, which from the sneak peeks is gonna be super cute. So I definitely suggest that you do subscribe, or just pre-order a single box if you want to. Also, just follow Mommy Lhey to get any, you know, updates or anything like that, either on Facebook or Instagram, to get all the sneaks and everything firsthand. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!